Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing and a decorate with me in the kitchen nook. My good friends at Homary.com sent me this beautiful entryway table and I need to unbox it. I selected it to go upstairs in the hallway, but we're going to use it in the kitchen nook for now. The hubby is at the fire department today, so I have to unbox it by myself, which is fine because after I open it, I realized that, hey, it pretty much came put together. So all I need to do is put the legs on it and that's all. But I'll have him put the legs on it later when he gets ready to move it upstairs in the hallway. Although Homary gifted me this entryway table, my order process would be similar to what you all would do if you were purchasing an item for yourself. The only difference is the value of the coupon code. Their customer service was great about communicating my order and delivery, especially since this item was out of stock. We all know the world is experiencing back orders and delays regardless of where they are manufactured, but this came in under the time that was expected. So here it is, this beautiful black and gold entryway table. It is perfect for an entryway or a hallway because it's just under 12 inches wide and about 39 inches long, and it's going to be perfect in its temporary home, which is the kitchen nook. I'll leave a link to their website in the description. They have a lot of beautiful items. I got this silver metal vase from Amazon. It is so pretty. It's similar to the other one that I have, but that one is a little shiny. This one has more of a matte finish. We're just going to tuck it on the side table and we'll come back to it later. And yes, remember I discussed in one of my recent fall videos, I talked about some tableware I found at Walmart. This is it. It is so pretty. So did y'all think I dropped it for real? No, it's empty. I've already taken them out to wash them. All right, so let's go ahead and move some stuff around so we can decorate the table. Well, let's just do a little tablescape. Y'all know I'm not a big fan of tablescapes, but I am going to do a little one just for the season. So let me go ahead and get started. I'm just going to use the tableware that I just purchased as well as these beautiful chargers. I got them from Z Gallery. They are purple, but they look gray too. So I'm going to play off the gray for this particular table setting. I do have links to the chargers as well as the plates, and the good thing about the plates, you can buy them individually. So if you don't want the whole set or you want to do some mixing and matching, you can do that because they do have plenty of those plates in that color with different designs. So these are like a black and cream, well, should I say a cream with black polka dots, not so white, but just right. And we're just going to do a fanned out napkin with those cute little napkin rings that I purchased from Home Goods. Then we'll just add these beautiful confetti stemless glasses. I've already had them. I've seen some similar at Hobby Lobby if this is something you're interested in. Now let's add some gold flatware. These are made by West Elm, but I got them from Home Goods for a really good price. The flatware set comes with a set of 5. It has 2 spoons, 2 forks, and a knife, but we're just going to use 2 forks, 1 knife, and 1 spoon out of the set. Alright, so the last thing we need to unbox are these simple lampshades from Amazon. I wanted to change the look of my light fixture, and this is the most cost-effective way to do it. So these lampshades come in a package of 5 or 6, and I originally bought them for the bedroom, but I decided they would look great in the kitchen nook. So I'll leave the link to them in the description. I have the off-white. They do come in different colors and sizes and shapes. I wanted more of a modern, slim look, so that's why I went with these particular ones. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you, Homary, for gifting us the Entryway table. It is going to be perfect in our hallway upstairs. I'll leave the link to their website in the description for those of you who are interested. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.